Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix this Minecraft error, which is usually accompanied by the message that the Minecraft launcher is not available on your account. So to fix this, the first thing we need to do is head over to the start menu and you just need to search for Microsoft Store and then click on the Microsoft Store app. Then the first thing we're going to do is head over to our profile icon in the top right hand side and we're just going to sign out of our account, and once you've signed out we're then going to sign back into the account. Now in 90% of cases, just doing this alone will fix the issue. If that still hasn't solved the issue, then the next thing we need to do is close out of this window and we're just going to head back over to the start menu and search for Xbox and then click on the Xbox app. Now from here you just need to make sure that you're signed in with the same account on the Xbox app as you are on the Microsoft Store. Now again, this is super important, otherwise you're going to run into this error message, and once we've done that we can close out of this window. Now if you've tried these two steps and that still hasn't fixed the issue, the next thing we can do is come back over to the start menu, search for settings and then click on the settings window. From the left hand side, come over to apps, click on installed apps, and then from this list of applications we just need to locate Minecraft. You can even use the search feature up here just to search for Minecraft, and once you've found the Minecraft launcher we need to select these three horizontal dots, click on advanced options and then come down to this reset section, and from here we're just going to press repair and then give that a couple of seconds to run, and then lastly we're going to click reset. Click on this reset button to confirm, and once you've done that, the very last thing we're going to do is close out of here and head back over to the start menu, search for run and then click on the run icon, and lastly we're just going to type in wsreset.exe and hit enter, and what that's going to do is it's going to clear all of your Microsoft Store cache and the app data, and once this is launched back up you can try launching Minecraft and that should have now fixed the error code. And that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.